Let's learn something interesting. Students, you must have seen a lot of different trees around you. Yes? Okay, very good. Every tree is unique and has a different shapes and sizes of leaves. I hope some of you must have collected different shapes of leaves as a hobby. I will show you some variety which I could find in my surroundings. Children, let us know plants around us. Trees, creepers or climbers, herbs and shrubs. Okay? Holy basil, tulsi or vrinda. This is a plant in Hindu belief. Tulsi plant has many medicinal properties. The leaves strengthen the stomach and help in respiratory disease. Yes, now see this. This is a betel leaf, is also known as pan. Its uses are from using in prayers and religious ceremonies to eating it in the form of a pan. Betel leaves contain many curative and healing health benefits. The leaves are full of vitamins like vitamin C, and it's a great source of calcium. Betel leaf plant is a creeper plant. Okay, children? You understood? Yes. Can you guess this, children? Which plant is this? No? Wait, I will tell you. Yes, this is turmeric plant or haldi plant. Turmeric leaves are also known as haldi leaves. Okay? Turmeric leaves could be an effective antiseptic for mild cuts and burns. Okay? Yes, children. Do you know which plant is this? Yes, this is a curry leaves plant or kadi patta. Yes, very good. Curry leaves commonly used as a seasoning. These leaves add a special flavor to every dish. Curry leaves are a rich source of iron. Yes, children. Can you guess this plant? Which plant is this? I know this is little difficult for you to guess, but I am sure your mother knows about it. Yes? Yes, I'll tell you. This is a bay leaf plant or tej patta or tamal patra plant. Bay leaf plant is an Indian spice as well as Ayurvedic medicine. Bay leaf leaves help in improving digestion and it is a natural wound healer. Children, I'll explain you something about creepers. Creepers or climbers require some support as they cannot support their own weight. Cause they have weak stem, they require support to grow. Okay, can you guess this plant? Yes? Have you seen this at your home? Yes, this is money plant. Yes, money plants are mainly used as indoor plant, but they can also be grown as climbers on walls and trees or in hanging baskets. Money plant as one of the best plants to purify polluted air. It energizes the home by filtering air and increasing oxygen inflow. This is another type of creeper. It has long green leaves and are suitable as indoor plants. This plant is also good for oxygen generation and air purification. Isn't it beautiful, children? Yes. We have earlier seen this plant. Yes, correct. This is a beetle leaf plant. This also belongs to creepers family. Okay. Shrub is a woody plant that is smaller than a tree and has several main stems or trunks at the base. Common shrubs found in India: mogra, rose, hibiscus, etc. Yes, children, can you guess this flower plant? This is very common flower plant. Yes, commonly we called it swastik flower plant, and in English we called it pinwheel flower plant. It is white in color. Can you see? Yes. Pinwheel flower plant is also used in some Ayurvedic medicine. Yes, can you see this plant? Yes, very good. Yes, children, can you guess this flower plant? I hope many of you know this flower plant. Again, this is a very common flower plant. What is the name of this flower plant? Yes, can you tell me? Yes, this is hibiscus flower plant. Hibiscus is one of the common flowering found in garden. The flower usually has 5 petals. Hibiscus comes in many colors like white, red, pink, dark red and yellow. We use this flower to worship our God. We also use this flower to make hibiscus oil. It is good for our hair. Yes? Yes, children, can you guess this flower plant? Again, this is a very common flower plant. Yes, this is mogra. Mogra plant is famously known as Arabian jasmine or jasmine flower. Mogra plant is very easy to grow and care. Perfect plant for outdoor garden and sunny balcony. The flowers are used for perfumes and making tea. The mogra flower has a great religious significance. A tree is a tall plant with a trunk and branches made of wood. Trees can live for many years. I will tell you about some common fruit trees found around us. A fruit tree is a tree which bears fruit that is consumed or used by humans and some animals. Yes. Which fruit plant is this, children? Yes, this is a jackfruit tree. Jackfruit tree is also known as jack tree. Jackfruit tree is the largest tree-borne fruit in the world. Jack tree produces jackfruit, which is large with thick spikes from outside and fibrous from inside. On the inside, it contains many pale yellow plum bulbs which are edible. The seeds can be also cooked and eaten on their own. The taste of jackfruit is sweet and similar to pineapple, mango and banana. Yes, children. Now, can you see which fruit plant is this? Yes, see? This fruit plant is having flowers also. See, this is a pomegranate fruit plant. Pomegranates grow on thorn, shrubs, trees or bushes. Pomegranate fruit is full of nutrient and medicinal properties. It is a seeded fruit which is red in color. It has flowers which are yellow to bright red in color. It is used in baking, cooking and juice blends. Can you guess which fruit plant is this? This is very common fruit plant. Yes, this is papaya tree. Very good. Papaya tree is also called pawpaw. Papaya tree are usually grown from seed. Their development is rapid with fruit. The plant is crowned by deeply lobed leaves like 5-fan shaped. Papaya tree produces very juicy fruit with deep yellow or orange color. Which fruit plant is this? Yes, this is a guava tree. Guava is a common small tree. The tree is widely grown throughout India for its fruits. It is a common in the backyards. Guava tree produces the fruit which is green in color, little hard from outside and gummy within. It is also known as amrud or peru. Yes, children, can you guess this tree? This is again a very common tree. Yes, this is a mango tree. A mango tree can grow quite large. And mango trees live long. Mango tree produces the delicious mango fruit. You know what, children? One of the best benefit of growing mango tree is that mango tree absorbs lot of carbon dioxide from the environment and produces oxygen to support the livelihoods. Another variety which we see around us are decorative plants. Now see this, one more beautiful decorative plant. See the shape of this plant leaves. Yes, see, it looks like a long finger. Very beautiful. Yes. Decorative plants are with vibrant colors and shape. The leaves are multicolored and the shapes enhance the looks of the plants. Hence, these types are used indoors and in gardens for beautification. Yes, can you see? Wow, such a lovely, beautiful plant. Now see carefully, children. This plant is having two colors. Up it has green and from down it has dark maroon color. Yes, can you see it? What a lovely plant. Wow. Okay, children. Now that we have finished with our all types of plants, this is our activity time. Okay, are you ready for activity? Let's do it. Students, today we are performing an activity to show how to plant a seed. Before we start, please collect these basic things. One small pot. It can be plastic, glass or mug or a mud pot. Other necessary items are mud, sand and pebbles. In case you don't have sand and pebbles available, you can simply use only mud. Let me show you the process of arranging the material in the pot. For easy and clear look, I have taken a transparent plastic glass for our demonstration. First, make a small hole at the bottom of the glass. You can take help from your parents. This helps the excess water to be drained from the pot. Next step is to add a layer of pebbles, like this. On top of this layer, add a layer of sand. Yes, can you see, children? See, sand and pebbles. Yes. Yes. Now at the topmost layer we will add the mud. Please see to it that you remove stones and pebbles from the mud. See, like this. Now our pot is ready to plant seeds. Take few seeds available at home like moong, beans, you can also call it wal, and methi seeds. I have chosen beans. Drop a few of them in our pot, like this. Now press the seed gently with your finger so that they are submerged in the mud. Sprinkle some water on the seeds. Your pot with the seeds is now ready. Sprinkle some water on daily basis to help the plant to grow. Please do not overwater the pot as they need very little water to grow. After a couple of days, you will see small plants sprouted from your planted seeds. See, like this. Look how my seeds have grown up. Keep watering them daily for them to grow. Thank you students for watching the video. I hope this was fun as well as we enjoyed our small activity. See you next time. Good day. Take care.